Hi students, parents, teachers. This is Miss Chatty again, bringing you the third lesson for this week. Today is Wednesday, so let's get started with our lesson, okay? So today, we're going to describe cause and effect relationships. Our objective for today is students will describe cause and effect relationships between concepts presented in a text. So we're going to do 4 main tasks. You're going to review yesterday's main idea and supporting details. You will think and remember what is a cause, what is an effect. You will reread the text aloud and annotate some cause and effect facts. And you will use a graphic organizer to record the cause and effect facts you annotated. So, remember, refresh your memory, activate your background knowledge by reviewing what you did yesterday. We talked about drafting the main idea and getting the supporting details that back your decision. So then the second step is to remember what is a cause and what is an effect. The cause is the reason of why something happened. Basically, it's the why something happened. And the effect is the result, basically what happened. So thanks to our friends at Study Bay, we have this anchor chart. In this example, when it rains, you get a rainbow sometimes. When it rains, the flowers bloom, right? Grass grows, the weeds as well, right? That we need to clean. And we often use this type of relationships of cause and effect. When you say, when I wake up late, I arrive late at school. That's a cause and effect relationship. When we say, when I don't behave, I get a consequence at home. Right? However, in school, we want to use some academic terms, and for that we have signal words such as consequently, therefore, as a result, because of, and due to, right? Those are examples. So, having that, remember that when you think of your cause and effect relationships, you have to think, well, you have to go and reread the text and think about those type of sentences. Think about, well, when this happens, this other thing happens. That's a cause and effect. In your checks, treasures in a pine cone, you're going to have several of these type of sentences. So be in the lookout for those relationships, okay? So you might not find them with those exact words, consequently, and stuff, or like due to the fact that, right? But think about a relationship. Think about, well, when this happens, this other thing happens as well. Okay, well, that's a cause and effect, okay? I will give you a quick example from my article, seeing what you normally don't see. We know that the authors of this text argue that it's good to videotape an activity among a group of people because you get important details that you otherwise wouldn't see. So I would say that when people videotape an activity or a session, then they get details that otherwise would have missed. That's a cause and effect relationship. Okay, so remember, think about those sentences, those ideas, and organize them in your graphic organizer like this one. It's just an example brought from Teacher Vision page, or use any other that your teacher may have shared with you as well. Okay, well, thank you so much again for letting me enter your houses, for giving me your time. See you tomorrow.